Hey everybody, here's a quick tutorial on how to publish your Google site. So, whenever you make a change on your site, it saves itself just like anything else in your G Suite. But in order for the changes to be seen by the real world, you need to publish your site. And you need to do this every time you make a change to your site, or else those changes won't show up when someone looks at your site. So to publish, it's pretty simple. Make sure you've got everything updated the way you wanted to have updated, and hit the publish button. And you'll be presented the first time with some choices. You can choose to change your web address name. So I'm going to change this just to class. You can pretty much choose whatever you want. The most important thing you need to check here is who can view your site. Right now, it's just limited to anyone in our domain. And if I want to share this with parents, that's not going to fly. They're not going to be able to see the site. So you click Manage, and then down here, you can click Change under the Links section. And you can see we want the draft to be restricted. So that means we only see the drafts. That's what we want. But the published site, we want to be able to be viewed by the public. So anyone with the link can find and open this site. So we'll click Done, and now anyone with the link to our site can see it. You can also check off that public search engines like Google don't display your site. And I like to check that too. It just keeps it safe. So hit Publish. It takes a few seconds to think about it, and you will have a published website. Wonderful. To share the website with the world, you can hit the link button up here, and it'll give you a link to copy and paste into emails, newsletters, whatever you want. So when parents or anyone with the link clicks on it, they can find your site. So that's it for the initial publishing of the site. Let's say we make a change and we need to publish our site again. We made a little change, added some text. As you can see up here, all changes have been saved in Drive, but again, we still need to publish it every time we make a change. So we'll hit the Publish button, and here a really great window pops up. It shows you the draft, so the changes you've made are right here, and it shows you the published site, which shows you what everyone else will see. So it gives you a nice A-B compare and contrast to what you changed and what's out there. So once you're satisfied with everything, hit the publish button, and once again, the site is published, and the public will be able to see the latest version of your site. So quick review, anytime you make a change to your site, big or small, you need to hit the publish button in order to make those changes public.